Now I'll show you how to find keywords. So I'm using a number of different tools, and the ones that I will show you are completely free, so you can use them without paying for subscription. And the first one is Google Ads Keyword Planner. So if you've got Google account, you can log in, you can start using this tool. Simply set up Google Ads account and under Tools, go to Keyword Planner. And this is the screen that you will see, and you've got two different options. Discover new keywords. So based on a certain keyword you want to input, or if you've got a list of keywords, you can analyze which one is the most popular and competitive based on the search volume. So this exercise, I will find new keywords based on our basis keywords. So I'll click on this one, discover new keywords. And on the next screen, you will be able to put more details. So you can start with a website, so put in your URL, or start with a keyword. So I will just start with a keyword and put for example, yoga pants, and you can add up to 10 different keywords here. So I've selected 3: yoga pants, leggings, and fitness clothing. And when it comes to this tool, a cool feature is that you can select English, so obviously it will take into consideration all of the English language searches, and specify the location. So you can specify not only country, but also just the city if it's especially useful for someone that is trading locally, for example, like food delivery, pet grooming, hairstylist, and so on. So they can specify to area, to the city, to the state, or even to like a smaller neighborhood. So this is really, really smart. However, I will specify simply United States. And click target. And then save. And now simply click get results. Now we've got results, and we can see the keywords that we put in, more keyword ideas. We've got average monthly searches, competition from low to high, add impression share, top of the page, obviously the cost if you wanted to use it for your Google Ads. And obviously this is the range, the cost per click for Google Ads. So what I like to do is to sort the keywords by monthly searches. So I'll simply click this column, top of the column, and it will show me the results from top to high, from top to low. So obviously these are our keywords and some of the most popular suggested keywords. We've got, for example, gym clothes, but we can see that the competition is high, so it will be quite difficult to target it, especially for new websites. So I like to search for medium or low competition keywords. So this is yoga pants girls, but usually it's probably when it's for girls, it's usually like for kids clothing. So you have to take that into consideration. However, it's quite popular between 10K and 100K monthly searches. Another great one, but it's really, really specific, plus size Christmas leggings. It is specific, it is time, obviously limited. However, if you've got this type of leggings, is really, really good keyword, is quite powerful, is quite popular, and low competition. And when someone's searching for this kind of leggings, they're most likely to buy. So it's very specific. I like it. However, it's too seasonal, and we don't specialize in plus size Christmas leggings, so I'll leave it for now. You can find this keyword like yoga pants ripped if we've got specific item that will suit it. It's quite nice keyword with low competition and quite nice search volume. This is also a quite nice keyword, yoga pants school. So we can use it if we've got this kind of product. It's kind of on a lower level, but it's still okay if we get to the paid one between 100 and 1,000 monthly searches. So it's quite nice. I wouldn't go anywhere below 100 searches. It's too low. However, this is still okay because as long as you land on page one, you can get up to 1,000 keywords. Sorry, 1,000 visitors per month for this single keyword. So this is really quite in-depth and quite useful research tool.